Hello and welcome back to Rebuilding the Commonwealth. Due to video complications and audio complications, uh, the last episode that I recorded was corrupted. Uh, the the video kept on flashing in and out, and even though I had set it to, even though I had set the microphone to a to the microphone, the headphone microphone that I'm using, that does not hear the fan. It still reset the microphone to the default one, and that also was a tiny problem. But last time all I did was go up to Fort Hagen. I made a crowbar, and that's about it. And came up to Fort Hagen. Didn't miss out on too terribly much you wouldn't see in a regular playthrough. But let's get the show on the road here. Man, yeah, it was a full episode of recording that went down the drain. But I don't know. What are you gonna do? I suppose not much. As I bleed out because my character is weak. I still didn't cook that meat. Alright, now here we go into Fort Hagen. Let's go murder a murderer, shall we? Because I can't have people messing around with my family. Not at all. I'd like to put a silence around this thing.
Movement detected. Curious.
Hostile sensor reading detected.
As I miss terribly.
Where did you go?
Oh my lord, that just absolutely destroyed that synth. Ugh. Crap. Come on. Fight your own kind, Nick. Why is this a 67% hit chance, but that's 95? I don't understand. Well, it's a 0% hit chance now. Ah. Come on. Things were going so well, and then the recording corrupted. Well, I'm a little salty over that, but I suppose it's not that big of a deal. Alright. But let's suck it up. Well, I'll suck it up rather. Alright. Let's have a couple 5.56 rounds shot into my torso, and then find some synths to murder. Can you really murder a synth? That's the question. Come on, just give me. Okay, alright. This is not going very well. Not very well at all, because I'm not taking this very carefully. I believe there are mines around here too. There's more than one at least. I could be wrong. I seem to remember getting blown up in this area before. But I mean, that might just be my imagination.
Nice.
But I do want that frag mine. That's what I was probably remembering. I knew there was a trap somewhere. Oh, come on. I'm right in front of the thing. Alright. That's all we'll eat for now. Now maybe. Oh, come on. Asset Kellogg. I mean, really, he is your boss right now. So, course. He could probably deal with more than you since.
Proceeding. Damage.
Darn it.
Damaged.
Yes, you are damaged. Alright. Why did you have a pipe pistol on you? That's my question. But I will take that rifle. Alright, now let's keep on moving. Didn't mean to do that. I know there's a turret, but I believe I found it. No, it's not going to be. Well, maybe the cleaning maid. Ha, ha, but not us. Alright, Nick Valentine.
Go ahead.
Think you can unlock that terminal?
Unlock it.
Hey,
There's something you need?
heads up.
Now,
See what
let's
you can
I
do.
Come on.
do.
Let's go. And while you do that, I'm gonna level up real quick. Last time we got the scrapper perk, so I guess we'll go gunslinger. No, we'll go scrounger because ammo is very important at this time.
You want me to take a look at that terminal? You say the word.
I did
Heads
say
up.
it. I said it
Come on.
twice.
Needs your expertise.
Good plan.
All right. Just are you
Look
gonna
alive. Hack that terminal?
unlock the terminal? Please? Maybe?
Hacking this is beyond me.
That's why I'm asking Nick to do it. Come
Look
on.
alive. Think you can unlock that terminal?
Okay. Obviously, it is a lost cause. And I should just stop asking him. Let's loot some more. Take the American flag. Because it matters. And I hear another turret somewhere around here. But I will take that.
Lock tight.
And that's too difficult for me. Alright. Let's stop getting lost. And go fight
Going up.
Kellogg.
Over. Over.
Really? Oh, I did not know this was here. That's pretty cool. That's really cool. Usually elevator hatches are only openable from the outside. At least, I believe. I could be wrong. No, I did not mean to click that. But there's some loot out here, I know. Yeah. Elevator escape hatches aren't really escape hatches. They're for firefighters to get in, or rescue teams to get in. Can't quite remember where I heard it. Maybe I do, but I can't quite remember. It's an interesting fact. See, when you think of the little fortunes that could be made, like the elevator button fortune, it's the little things that you come up with. Well, I mean, I guess that would be the elevator fortune on a whole, but it's the little things alongside the big things that you gotta come up with. Yeah, here's where I'm talking about. There's loot somewhere around here.
Hey, toss anything you can't haul my way.
Well, I mean, I'm pretty good for right now, but you might regret saying those words later on. You might. Just might. So yeah, let's get down there and kill me a half robot, half man that also murdered my son. I mean, jeez. I meant to say my wife. And that's that. Probably shouldn't be standing in what I assume is gasoline, or maybe it's something else flammable. I don't need drugs. What do I look like? A drug addict? Which is not the case, because I am a very upstanding fellow. Do you see my mustache? There we go. Alright.
You don't have to.
Die.
Won't underestimate us again.
No. No, they won't. Because they can't. Because they're dead.
My old friend, the frozen TV dinner.
Frozen TV dinner. Yes, that's exactly what I am. That's what I am to most people. I'm just
your
a
house has been
vegetable
wrecked for 200 years.
for most people. So let's go. I believe there's a fat man in here somewhere, which I would like to take. And as a plan B on Kellogg,
Never expected you to come knocking on my door. Gave
but
you 50-50 odds of making it to Diamond City.
I know he's right down there. You wonder where he hides, just behind one of them. One of them, cubicles, I suppose. Now I'm about to die. But I might shoot some people first. Alright. Inventory. We'll drink a quantum. I'll be a bad boy. I used to always just save my quantums in all of my Nuka-Colas, and I just would never drink them. And then I'd like have to put them away because they take off like half of my inventory space.
I get it, I do. But
But
what do you hope to accomplish in here?
yes, that's exactly what I'm looking for. Army fatigues. I know that where is it? I know that I might not match completely, but it's U.S. Air Force. I feel at home in my fatigues. There we go. I hope very much that my video isn't glitching out right now. That would be very bad in my case. And then I would have to delete this video. And I couldn't skip out on that much. Hello, I'm right here.
Playing hide and seek.
There we go. Anyway, and then I'd have to go back and do this all again because it'd be way too much to skip. Way too much to skip. And then I'll probably go build up some settlements, which I enjoy doing very much. Very much.
That's one way to get that coolant pumping.
The coolant pumping, that's funny. Because it's like blood, but it's not. And you have no head. And I'm out of here. Because I don't like being under laser turret fire.
Clear.
It's not very high on my list of things that I do on a daily basis. Or like to do, rather. But, again, that's just me. Oh, right away. Such a wonderful thing. It's so little, or there's so little of it at the beginning of the game. But as you go along, the stim packs and the RadAway, they just
Excellent.
are more and more, or they're more common. Which, I mean, it's more of a balancing aspect, I suppose. But it's after you hit a certain point, the game's just easy.
Sweet.
Oh yes, more mines. That's exactly what I need. Exactly what I need. I guess they just got flanked. I don't know where they came from, but they came from somewhere.
Did good.
It looks like a long-necked synth. I'll call him the white giraffe. And that'll be it. Oh, see, that's what I'm talking about. The Nuka-Cola quantum sets me over. Of course, I've been picking up
You got guts,
everything.
determination. It's admirable.
Oh, nope, 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 nope. I think we might have to use those mines a little bit earlier on. In that Nuka-Cola Quantum might come in handy. Let's use that and that. Alright, let's one synth down. One synth, two synth, three synth, four synth.
Not that it's an option.
Alright. And continuing down in we go. I think they reused this hallway for one of Kellogg's memories. I don't like the
It's not too late.
prefabs too much,
Stop. Turn around.
but it's just me.
You have that option.
Again.
Not a lot of people can say
You know,
that.
I mean, I don't suppose a lot of people can say that, but I'm not going to turn around. If most people, if they were in the situation that the sole survivor is in, they would go through and they would murder the person who murdered their spouse. I mean, why wouldn't you? It'd be that would be a guilt that would plague you for the rest of your life. And it's not something I'd say most people could deal with, but that's just something I say. Doesn't stand for everyone. Not by a long shot. Ah, still heavy. Come on. That's just a pea shooter
You
anyway.
must be doing pretty well if you're willing to leave that behind.
Oh, shut up, Nick.
Yes.
I guess I could have just given it to you, but I didn't think of that till later. It's funny how alarm clocks have nuclear material. You'd think why, but I mean, if they have fusion reactors in them, or fusion cells in them, I guess you could get nuclear material out of that. And if only I could get to the combat inhibitor. Darn it. Hit tab one too many times.
Anyone you walk away from.
Alright. Almost to Kellogg. Yes, I'd like to do I'd like to do that documentary, but now I'm unsure whether the video is gonna hold up. I'd be really, really mad if it didn't. Of course, I suppose it's something I'm gonna have to deal with.
Sweet.
The woes of a
Okay.
recorder,
You made it.
or of a
I'm just a
YouTuber,
man.
rather, who has
My sins
two
are
plastic
standing down.
knives and a bureau.
Let's
And why
talk.
did I take them? I also don't know. Alright. Fat man, fragmentation mines. Alright, we'll go with light shining in darkness first. Let's go.
And there he is. Most resilient man in the Commonwealth. Funny. I thought
No.
I had that honor.
You don't have that honor. So locksmith is working, but my pushable companions does not seem to be. He usually hides behind this right here. So we'll just
So, here we are.
give him a little
Funny,
present.
huh?
You think he wouldn't let you do that? But he does.
What?
Why am I saying what? Come on.
Oh? Mm-hmm.
What the heck? Jeez.
Let's, talk.
I'm trying to, but evidently I've been stricken dumb. What the heck? Okay. Well, I mean, if words don't work, you open fire. Hello? What the heck? There we go. Let's just turn this way.
You came a long way.
Okay.
You
Can I talk?
murdering,
Thank you.
Right to it then, huh?
That,
Your
that,
son Sean.
that took way
Great,
too long.
But if you're hoping for
I
a
just
happy
stood there
reunion,
spinning around like an idiot.
Then you're gonna take me to him. Right now.
take you to him. Like I could. even
Alright,
if I wanted
I
to.
think I'm done talking to you, Kellogg. Ow! Instantly my head gets crippled. You saw that, it was instant. But yet, I can still hit a synth. Even though I'm half blind.
System damaged.
Actually, you two would have the same maker.
See him?
What? How are your legs not blown off?
You're not as soft as I thought.
No, I'm not. Glad you've noticed. I can't use VATS to see how bad your legs are. Come on. Come here, Cupcake. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. His legs are at 0. Okay. But they didn't blow off. Why? Why didn't your legs blow off? I wanted...
This tech.
What happened to your
Barely
pistol?
human.
Anyway,
We should take a look
I mean,
around, get all the intel this place
why?
can hide.
oh, I didn't mean to take his outfit. But I guess I'll just leave you on the floor naked until you decompose into fertilizer and a skeleton. Security door. Ah, nope. Access logs. Alright. Let's go, Mario. I mean, Nick.
Hey, Valentine.
So the Institute
I mean,
was
Valentine,
the puppet master
I guess.
all along. Damn. Even I don't know where they are. They built me.
Yes, they did. They did a shoddy job at it, too.
Oh, Mr. Metal for Hands doesn't know how to get back to the factory?
No, I skipped that part of the orientation film while they were in the weeds here.
Nick is so funny.
Time to take a step back. Bring in some fresh eyes.
Yeah,
Only
because your
person I
eyes
know
don't
willing
look
to
all
sweep
that
up the
fresh.
Institute's tail
Just
feathers is
saying.
Piper, the
Just
reporter in
saying.
Diamond City.
Diamond City it is.
Alright, let's go.
Chin up.
By this point, after we get outside, we can see, or we can go and, we can start one of the Enclave quest lines, which isn't that interesting at first, but, oh, I'm sorry, Nick. I thought I hit the open door button. Anyway, and then we'll start the first quest line. I do need to go down the Minutemen quest line to retake the castle, and then we can start the, and then get Ronnie Shaw, and then go into the armory so we can start the other quest line for the Enclave, both of which are rather nice. What can I? Right in front of my face, I don't see it. Oh, look at the trees. They're shaking. They're shaking like... I don't even know. Come on.
Do not interfere.
Do
Our
not
intentions are
interfere. Well,
We are
I think you should die, you Brotherhood dogs. Die. Die. All of you. I don't care about wasting ammo into the sky.
Long I stood there, wondering, fearing.
What are you talking about? I don't know what reference that is. What poem? Whatever he's talking about. I'm not a poetry scholar. But, I'll waste a couple more bullets. for nothing. If not, in spite. Alright, I'm gonna end this here. And I'll see you all later in the next video. This has been Rebuilding the Enclave. See ya!